Hello friends, welcome to the Battle of Beast. Sher Khan versus Mountain Lord Tiger. Who was more stronger and who would win if they fight head to head? Let's find out. The Mountain Lord was a large, impressive, fictional Siberian tiger from the movie The Tiger and Old Hunter's Tale. It's a Korean movie that was released in 2015. That was an action drama film about a hunter prepared to kill the last tiger of Joseon, an enormous one-eyed male tiger that was lives on the mountain and has killed scores of hunters. The action of the tiger in this movie was so fascinating and fierce that it will able to create goosebumps and chills in every viewers. The Mountain Lord was a fictional Siberian tiger that can weigh up to 500 kilograms. This giant monster was up to 11 feet from head to tail and was approx 4.6 feet tall at the shoulders. Despite his heavy weight, he was very agile and was able to climb trees in a matter of seconds. Despite the absence of an eye, he had killed a large army in a few moments. In spite of consuming so many bullets, nothing had happened to this demon, and he fought bravely till the end. The Mountain Lord was a very dangerous and fearsome tiger who has the power to kill 100 wolves in a moment. I think there is no need to introduction these legendary characters of the Jungle Book movie. Hope you all are well known about Sher Khan. For comparison, here we will take Sher Khan from 2016 The Jungle Book movie. We know that he was a strong, powerful and deadliest Bengal tiger who was able to terrorize the every living creature of the jungle. Sher Khan was a main antagonist of Rudyard Kipling's Jungle Book and its adaptations. Sher Khan is deeply feared as the most ferocious predator in the jungle. He looked like a monster and was very strong. Sher Khan was a huge Bengal tiger, weigh up to 500 pounds, that is about 250 to 300 kilograms, standing about 3.3 feet tall and about 10 feet long from head to tail. He was a very cruel and ferocious Bengal tiger, as he single-handedly beat Bagheera, the Black Panther, 3 times. Even Akela's wolf pack would be unable to defend against Sher Khan and protect Mowgli. As far as I am concerned, Sher Khan was matchless in the jungle. Sher Khan easily defeated Akela, an adult wolf. He overpowered Bagheera, Baloo, and whole wolf pack. They both look pretty much similar if you have noticed properly. Then you must have probably seen that both of them are blind in one eye. This battle is gonna be great because they both are equally strong, durable, and tough candidates. The Mountain Lord is definitely impressive, dangerous, and stronger, and took a lot of bullets and survived. I believe that Mountain Lord Tiger will beat Sher Khan in a fair short fight because he fought bravely with the soldiers till the end in spite of taking so many bullets and was able to defend himself from Wolf's pack without any trouble. And he was also much more bigger than Sher Khan too. So without any doubt, the Mountain Lord will upper hand during fight against Sher Khan. So according to me, there is more than 80% chances that Mountain Lord Tiger will defeat Sher Khan after a fair short fight. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.